Seedance 2.5 just launched, and the 30-second videos from this model are seriously impressive. The characters stay surprisingly consistent, the camera movements feel cinematic, the animation looks much more natural, and even the sound effects seem to understand what's happening in the scene. Can Seedance 2.5 produce these results without a perfect prompt? So, I am testing it from scratch. First, we will generate a video using nothing but a simple text prompt. Then I will use the official Seedance 2.5 prompting guide, rebuild that prompt, using their recommended structure, and see how much more realistic and natural the result becomes. After that, we will push it even further with reference images to see whether it can actually maintain the same characters, visual style, and story continuity throughout a full 30-second video. By the end, we will know whether Seedance 2.5 is actually as good as the hype, or if the demos are hiding its weaknesses. Here in ChatGPT, I have typed a simple prompt to get some animation story ideas. Within a couple of minutes, we have a full list of ideas. Now I will ask it to give me a detailed prompt in a Pixar-style animation format and include lip-sync dialogue. I will simply paste this story idea. A mischievous raccoon climbs into an unattended patrol car, hits the controls, and accidentally starts a chaotic nighttime journey through town. The police chase the raccoon, and it is finally caught. Simply click the Generate button, and within seconds, we have a complete 30-second prompt with lip-sync dialogue included. Now, simply copy this prompt and head over to the OpenArt website. Select the text-to-video option. Choose the Seedance 2.5 model from the list. Now paste the prompt text here. To save credits for more video testing, I will go with 480p resolution, a landscape aspect ratio, and a 30-second video duration. By subscribing to the Wonder Plan, you can generate unlimited videos for a limited time. Click the Generate button and wait for a couple of minutes. And here we have the output video.
Oh, this is bad! We're chasing a raccoon in a patrol car. Step out of the vehicle.
How?
The result looks quite impressive, with smooth scene transitions, cinematic camera movement, accurate lip-sync audio, and expressive characters. I have also generated another good result using just a simple text prompt. This result also looks good overall in terms of scene description, character facial expressions, and movement. There is a minor issue in this part, but overall, the result looks good. To improve the video quality, we have an amazing tool called Art Guru. This tool can upscale images all the way to 8K without destroying the original details. It can also restore old, scratched, and damaged photos and upscale videos to 4K. Simply click the Video Enhance button, and you can upscale videos up to 20 minutes long in one go. Upload your video. Depending on your available credits, you can upscale your video up to 4K resolution. Just to demonstrate it, I will select this 15-second section of the video. Simply click the Start button, and the upscaling process will begin. Within a couple of minutes, we have the enhanced output video. The video looks much sharper and clearer, while the original details are still maintained. So, you can try this upscaler for your own images and videos by following the link given in the description. For better prompting, I found this amazing guide on the official website. It explains how to use Seedance 2.5 more efficiently by following a proper prompt structure. Here in ChatGPT, I will ask it to create prompts by following this guide. Now I will paste the story idea for which I need the prompt. Here we have a detailed text prompt that also includes lip-sync dialogue. Simply copy the prompt and paste it here to generate the video.
I found tracks. I'm following them.
it easy. I'm not here to hurt you. You stayed with him.
And here we have the output. This generation looks quite impressive, with strong scene details, accurate lip-sync dialogue, and smooth camera movement. This looks much better than the result generated with the simple prompt. To test the image-to-video option, I generated this reference sheet that includes the main character from different angles, key objects, and the environment. Now I will copy the prompt and paste it here. For the reference image, I will upload this entire reference sheet to see how intelligently Seedance 2.5 uses the different visual references.
No! Hey! Open the door! I need to get out. Help! Over here!
You're okay. I've got you.
I'm home.
Welcome home.
And here, we have the output video. This generation looks good in terms of character consistency, but there are some glitches in the scene motion.
No! Hey! Open the door! I need to get out. Help! Over here!
You're okay. I've got you.
I'm home.
Welcome home.
And here we have another result generated by uploading the character and object images separately. This result looks much smoother and follows the scene more effectively in terms of character consistency, scene flow, and overall visual settings. So, if you want more consistent and polished results, you can follow the official prompting guide and structure your prompts properly. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.